this is Janet, Try It Like It Create It, and I have a SVG file here for a lace card. I'm working with CutCardStock on their design team this month, and their theme is white or cream colored papers, and so I thought this was a really nice little detailed piece to work on. But what I want to show you is that the machine does do most of the work for you. Okay, so it's a simple, straightforward cut and fold type card. But you may find that these little pieces don't come off all that easy. And so I just wanted to give you a couple of suggestions here, is that as you work on your piece and you can see here I'm poking out the cut pieces. They are fully cut, but because they're small and in a tight little place, they're a little bit stubborn. And so I poke them, and you can see that they're still kind of attached. So I'm going in and grabbing from the back side and pulling those off. And the reason I want to do it this way is that if any of the cardstock tears, it's tearing on the back side of the card. So all in one place. I don't want to flip back and forth with pulling these pieces off and making it rough on this top surface. So you just want to gently go through, poke those pieces. This is 80-pound cardstock and I cut it at 100. So you may want to give it a little bit more pressure, and that might help in getting it cut without you having to weed out these small bits. But I just wanted to give you a tip here on working with these little pieces, and then as I pull them out here and pull them off, you can see the design starting to appear on the card itself.